All right, let's look at problem number 6 on page 11 of Trig Pace 1137. On this problem, we see that, clicking on the wrong thing over here, it says 1/3 the tangent of theta plus 4 equals 4. So we can subtract 4 from both sides, and then that simplifies to just be 1/3 tangent of theta equals 0. And then we can get rid of this 1/3 by multiplying by 3 on both sides. Well, obviously, this just becomes 1, so we have tangent theta. And over here, 0 times 3 becomes 0. So now we've got to figure out, where does the tangent of theta equal 0? How many degrees? And if we look up at the unit circle in a previous page, there are 4 places where we have a 0 in either the x or the y position. Now let's see. Do you remember which one in the previous video we talked about this? To get this for tangent, we're not looking at the x or the y, we're looking at both the x and the y, and we need to do the y divided by x, okay? So if we do 1 divided by 0, that actually is impossible, right? We can't divide by 0. So we automatically know it's not going to be this one, and therefore it's not going to be this one. But we could do 0 divided by 1, because that would work, and that would give us 0. And 0 divided by -1 would also give us 0. And so we see that I believe this one right here actually is the 0, and then this one is pi, okay? So 180 degrees different. And so the tangent is going to be, or the angle is going to be 0 degrees, and then because it varies by 180 degrees or varies by pi, we just, instead of saying 2n pi, we just say n pi. But 0 plus n pi is really, we don't need to worry about that. The answer would just be the n times pi. All right, so I went too far. I already gave you the answer. But that was a little bit of a tricky one. I think the other ones on the page you'll find a little easier. There's sine or cosine. I think there's another one where the tangent equals 1. And there actually is an example like that in the lesson back on page 10. And so that hopefully will be easy for you to do as well.